The majority of lower limb amputations occur in the elderly population. That's for people who have age-related illnesses such as peripheral vascular disease, may be associated with diabetes, for example. And it's really important that this lower activity group of users have a prosthesis that's optimized for their specific circumstances. I'm Richard, a clinical specialist prosthetist for the Össur Academy, and today we're talking about the Össur balance solutions. That's Össur legs for low active users. We know a whole prosthesis is made of many components, but it's by selecting the right components or the right combination of these that allows you the chance to optimize your end users' functional outcomes. Now, for low active users, we've got a great range of products. We'd like to show you some of our feet, knee joints, transfemoral and transtibial solutions. Let's start and take a closer look at this Balance Foot S. Now, this is a glass fiber composite foot module designed specifically for the low impact walkers. It comes in both this pyramid and a torsion design. It's lightweight, featuring this heel cushioning foam, polyurethane foam that's very dynamic in its function. It comes with a full length toe lever for maximum force generation and good stability that users require for this activity group, sandal and split toe giving good ground compliance and therefore confidence. And it's available sizes 22 to 30 centimetres and for people with a body weight of 45 to 147 kilograms. There's a huge range of adapters and pylons that help you optimise your user's prosthetic alignment, but we have a number of adapter and pylon packs for your convenience. Here we have two examples of our pylon kits, this 250mm tube length and this 400mm tube length aluminium pylon kit rated to 100 kilograms body weight. Additionally, we have this three-pronged laminating adapter that comes with options for female and male pyramid socket configurations. Lower active transfemoral prosthetic users require a knee joint that is stable but gives the user the feeling of safety and confidence. The Balance Knee OFM2 is a good example of a stabilised knee that has a number of progressive functions that can follow the user through the rehabilitation pathway. The OFM2 is a single axis, that's monocentric, load activated braking knee. That means that during stance phase, when weight is applied through the knee joint, this mechanism stabilizes, minimizing flexion during stance. In this configuration, it's set up for free knee swinging during swing phase, and the knee joint is rated to users up to 125 kilograms. In this free knee configuration, we have a number of adjustments that we're able to offer for the more advanced user. We're able to adjust swing phase resistances for flexion and extension by adjusting this component here. And we're also able to offer the sensitivity of the braking mechanism by adjusting this screw here, enabling us to use the knee and set it up for people of different body weights. Then if we take a 2.5mm key in here, we're able to convert the knee into a fully locking knee. So now we've freed off the locking knee component. When this device is raised, the knee is able to bend for sitting, and when the knee is fully extended, the knee joint is now fully locked. By using this cable attachment, an actuator attachment on the socket, we have a locking knee that's suitable for the first time transfemoral users. A critical success factor in anybody's prosthetic rehabilitation depends on the quality of the socket fit and the interface. Now, low active users or people who have recently had an amputation, their skin health and socket fit is a top priority, and the choice of the interface is very important. The Össur Dermo locking liner range is a great solution for low active and first time users. They each feature this distal connector into which we can fit a locking pin, and our recommendation would be for first time and low active users is this Össur 621 ratchet lock, and this is a mechanical connection between the socket and the liner, And you can hear this audible feedback that gives the user a feeling of security and safety. Each of them feature what we call a size-specific umbrella. This is this semi-rigid insert at the distal end of the liner that's matched to the diameter of the liner end. And then we have a stabilizing matrix in the silicon itself. This minimizes longitudinal displacement but allows for radial elasticity, which again serves to protect the distal soft tissues. In the case of the transfemoral version, this stabilizing matrix extends through the entire length of the liner, giving good stability for a large volume of soft tissues. The transfemoral locking liner comes in sizes 25 to 55, depending on whether it's a cylindrical or conical version. For transtibial liners, its size is 16 to 45 centimeters. And here we have a 3mm profile, that's quite thin silicon at the top. Additionally, we can have a 6mm profile liner, which has much thicker silicon, allowing for greater soft tissue and skeletal anatomy protection within the socket. Iceros dermal liners have something we call active skin care, and that's this layer of moisturizing and lubricant agents that minimize surface shear, again protecting the skin and the underlying soft tissues. Selecting the right components for any prosthetic user is important for maximizing their functional outcomes, and that's especially true for those with limited or low activity levels. By using these components, you can have an Össur leg that's optimized for your low active users. For more information on these and any other products, please contact us on the usual channels.